said, this could be quite interesting for somebody that wants to do their own build, or it might just be really boring for people watching it and thinking they've got no interest in electric bikes. This dude seems like a bit of a dick. What's he going on about? Can't understand him. You know, who knows? Who cares? I don't really care. So what we're going to do today is basically put everything back together. I am going to try and make this video in the world's smallest shed, trying not to bang my head every 2 minutes, which I know I'm going to do. It's just inevitable. It shouldn't be too difficult. Get welded into the frame so it doesn't jump around and catch fire and probably blow my balls up. So I actually stripped it down and trucked it. That up, didn't I? One of the easiest things I've ever used to paint. This, you want to be about 8 inches to 10, 12 inches maybe. Obviously, if you don't know what 12 inches is, ask your wife or your girlfriend. I'm sure she'll be able to tell you from previous experience. So, keep banging my f***ing head. Yeah?
Do you want breakfast?
After my wife rudely interrupted me, I'm talking about breakfast and Xboxes. Let's get this going, shall we? And I'll talk you through it as I go. I don't ever plan on using the pedal assist, but I think I should have it on there for legal reasons. Don't want to be breaking any laws, do we? Obviously, if you've watched my previous videos, nothing really gets done without a cup of tea. So we've just put the pedals on. They seem to be not falling off, which is quite cool. My shed does look a bit of a mess, doesn't it? I've talked to you about the petrol tank. Petrol tank, what would you call a petrol tank on an electric bike? Something in the comments would be quite handy. I mean, I can call it a tank, a juice tank, electric tank. Yeah, maybe. Which I don't know what it is, but we will get there and we will find out what it is. Another mouthful of tea and we will get on with it. I'll stop rambling. So I've set the GoPro to camera mode, so I took one picture of, there's a fly in here. So I've taken one picture when I wanted to take a video. So that was clever. You wouldn't think I was a filmmaker, would you? Alright, let's go with flow. Ooh. Should have thought about this really. There's a bit of a mess in here. Don't like mess. I'm a f***ing nightmare. Walking disaster, I think they call it. I've got to get rid of this fly. Steer my head in. What can I use to shoo a fly? Best thing to get rid of a fly? A monkey wrench. He'll be back. Ouch, bang my head again. Ouch, bang my head again. Oh, bang my head again. No, so this is the... Fuck's sake, Russ. Calm down. Getting too excited. And we're going to connect. It's 1:30. I've been p***ing about for about an hour. Camera's playing up a little bit. And I keep banging my f***ing head on that. Russell North without a space. Must have been busy that day. Too busy to put a space in between the L and the N. Right, so that's my warranty. But we're not going to worry about that just yet. Let's get some connectors that I've got. I think I've banged my head about 12 times so far. Just make sure that's the same there. Jesus, that would have had someone's f***ing eye out. Right, so that's done. Going in there. In regards to what you can see, Jesus Christ, how colourblind am I? I've just connected a green to a blue. And we'll bounce it up and down. That does look cool. painfully boring. So my knees, I'm too old for this. 40 in a couple of weeks. Right, so this is the seat that I had. So we're going to put the chain on. It's a fairly easy thing to do. Annoyingly, what I've done is can't move in this shed. It's always the little things that just you off. What a pain in the arse that was. Give me a headache that is. We're going to put the chain on. It's a fairly easy thing to do. Fairly easy thing to do. Oh, that hurt my head. Oh, my head's banging. That stressed me out. I've got some big plans. I've obviously bought 5 more frames, so there's going to be technically 5 more. There's a fly buzzing around here and it's me off. Oh, Mr. Miyagi, you. Piece of Anyway, thank you for watching. As always guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe somewhere down the bottom, and I'll catch you in the next one.